Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to open Google Slides in laptop. So open any browser. Now here click on these dots and here guys you have to click on this slides, this one. So just click on it. So this is a similar as you are using PowerPoint. You can create presentation and you can create amazing, easy to use presentation. So guys, here you will see template gallery. You can use anyone like this one, wedding. Click on it. Now you can edit and customize and modify as your requirement. So this is the guys method you can open Google Slides in a laptop. Now just you have to change photo size, color, and what you need. Thanks for watching. Share, like, and subscribe this channel.